With the onset of winter, South Korea's capital experienced its season's first snowfall, and it soon became the heaviest snow to blanket Seoul since records began over a century ago. We are going to leave you here with this report. We'll slip into a short break. After that, come right back. This is WION World is One.
After enjoying seasonably warm temperature, Seoul witnessed its first snowfall of the season. As residents woke up, a storm had blanketed the city. The heaviest snowfall in Seoul since records began in 1907.
Just last week, I felt that the November autumn was a bit warm, but in just 1 week, it feels like it's turned into a winter wonderland, which was quite a contrast. So I came out onto the streets today to enjoy the first snowfall of this winter.
The Korea Meteorological Administration said that 16.5 centimeters of snow fell by 7 a.m. local time on Wednesday, as compared to Seoul's previous record of 12.4 centimeters on 20th November 1972. It added that cooler air moving in from the northwest turned rain into snow overnight, leaving 18 centimeters on the ground by 3 p.m. local time. A heavy snow warning urged residents to refrain from operating vehicles and engaging in outdoor activities, and to beware of falling trees. Due to the snowstorm, at least 220 flights were grounded, while authorities ordered about 90 ferries to remain at port. Multiple hiking trails were also shut down. The snowstorm led to multiple accidents due to vehicles sliding on icy roads. Fallen trees caused power outages, affecting more than 150 households around Seoul.
I'm happy to see the first snow of the season, and it's snowing a lot, but I think the extreme weather is quite serious. It seems like environmental pollution has contributed to this, and as a South Korean citizen, I want to help reduce environmental pollution, but I feel like I haven't been able to do much about it yet.
As snow brought nuisance to some, others were rejoiced by the change in weather conditions.
I've just come out of the subway, and seeing Bukhansan in the background with snow and everywhere in the city is really beautiful. This really signals the start of a beautiful Christmas season, and it makes people really happy.
South Korea's President Yoon Suk-yeol called on officials to minimize potential damage and public inconvenience caused by the snow, as the heavy snowfall is expected to continue until Thursday morning. Bureau Report, WION World is One.